guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. So it's a beautiful Friday morning. It's just past 10 a.m. and I've already done so much this morning, like so much errands to run and all of that. But I just got to skin therapy, beauty and spa. I don't know if you guys can see. But yeah, we're having like a pamper day today, courtesy skin therapy, beauty and spa. So I am here this morning to just have a bit of a pamper thing. Okay, and it's Friday. I'm going to have to do school run today. Mia closes around 12:30 on Fridays, so whatever I'm doing, I have to be away from here before that time. That's why I literally came really early. They said 10 a.m. and 10:15 I'm here. Anyways, let's go in and let us see what we get up to today. I think myself and a couple of other moms are going to be here today as well. So yeah, that's that. Let's go in and let's go pamper. The vlogger. The vlogger. You guys, Jennifer is making me want to go and cut my hair in December. In fact, I'm cutting it again for Christmas. Definitely, I must. Hi Lola. Hi.
It's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love.
I love your hair, by the way. Thank you, darling. Who is it from? Julieta. Yeah, Julieta. I think it's 8. Thank you.
Hi guys, it's me, Alpha.
The only. Nigeria. Nigeria. Hi.
The next day.
Hi guys. Hope you guys are doing good. So today is Saturday. Let me show you the person that is talking all this plenty talk. So hi. Why are you repeating after me? You're still saying it. Anyway, back to what I was saying. Today is Saturday and there's an arcade opening today. Mia, can I talk? I was there last week Saturday, but I didn't vlog. Last Saturday was more like the soft opening, private viewing. So some of us were invited to just come and check out the place. I didn't even go with Mia Rose. That was last week Saturday. But today is the grand opening and Mia has seen, ever since I told this girl that we are going somewhere to go and play. Hey God, throughout this week I've not rested. Mommy, the playground. Mommy, the arcade. Mommy, the this. Mommy, the that. So we're leaving the house right about now. I have to start my day very early because tomorrow being Sunday is going to be a very busy day for me. So I have to begin my day early, take her to the salon to get her hair done. I will not go with you again, no. Oh my God. Say hi. Hi. Are you excited? She's so excited, you guys. You have absolutely no idea. And let me show you guys her outfit of the day. She wants to show them your outfit like this. Oh, wait, they have to see it properly. All right, so what are you wearing? You're wearing a top. And then a shadika. Then you're wearing a shoe. And that's your OOTD. That's your OOTD. Yes. Outfit of the day. All right, so are you ready? Let's go. Yay!
I'll be yours if you let me hold you tight. But I don't know if you let me in. Yeah. I know you had your heart broken one too many times. And now it's hard for you to open up. They have been cruel to you, saying things they don't mean. They have been rude to you, disrespect how you feel. But baby, I'll never go that far, 'cause I know better. feel, but baby, I'll never.
Lucky my car, my baby's life. Oh God. Your mother is for talking. No, they agree. No, they agree. No, they agree. Oh, they are so cute. Look at them.
So let me find out what.
Put them here. Two of them. Very tiny baby. Yeah? You see it, right? Yeah. Even me. I'm telling you. I swear down.
I am money. Blessed Christ. Hey, connect the money. See, who moved? Okay, who moved? Oh yeah, what mommy has got? DJ! How can you take this mommy to God? Don't let their fine face. I want it first. I want to carry my love to place it up. Are you ready now? I'm on there. Uncle is giving it to us. Thank you. Yeah. Hey. Hey, children, watch. Watch for me. Who's moving? Who? Mommy, the judges say. See them. No, we've got one more. It's not me. Sorry, mommy.
See one empty chair. Okay, here we go. I know.
I wanted you to win. Let's put our hands together for her.
Hey.
I said that there's no way.
Mommy, there's no way.
I wish there was a cell phone that time.
Mommy, there's no way I was this hyperactive. You can't tell me that.
I can't tell you there was no
Mba.
way. Can you imagine? How about you were a tomboy?
Mommy.
Tomboy. And then to cap it on, you didn't have hair.
Hi, mommy. Was Mia's phone like what she has been displaying around? Look at what she has been.
It was. And at this age, you that will climb the jump, be doing what do they call this? Trampoline. That's what you be doing on your father's chair in the house.
Oh my God! Hey, wahala.
Oh yes, you were a tomboy.
I was, huh?
Oh yes, you were.
Wahala.
You didn't like playing with dolls now. You didn't like playing with doll baby dolls.
So what did I play with?
I love you, man.
Mia. Yes. And you know, it didn't help because Chucky came right after me and Chucky was a boy. So that did not help, right? It didn't help my tomboyism.
It didn't help. It didn't help you to be girly.
Girly, yeah.
You had a boy after you. So there was nothing girly about you. It's only your sister Mary. Mary has always been
a chick.
Girly. Played with doll. That's what ended the name Everything Barbie.
Yeah, because she loved Barbie.
Your auntie
I didn't care for Barbie dolls.
You didn't care for Barbie
as a child.
You didn't care for no dolls.
That was not my thing.
Careless. And then you now had a brother.
Yeah, right after me. So I away.
So when I look at you people today, you know, I'm like, look at Belinda used to be the girly, you know.
She doesn't really care much like that. Then me, that was a tomboy.
You know.
I'm now a chi.
Melly will grab the catch the first flight from Lagos to Abuja
without makeup on her face, like she can't be bothered. Without makeup, one random t-shirt and one random jeans. What's it consign her with slippers?
Wear rubber slippers.
Oh my goodness.
When she lands in Abuja, we are all still in our night wear.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
You were a tomboy.
I know.
Hey, yeah.
Mia is not a tomboy, but she's just hyper. She can be hyper sometimes.
You were more than hyper.
So you were more than hyper.
You were more than hyper.
Oh my goodness, Mom. So crazy.
We never sit still in our church, St. Dominic's Catholic Church.
Yaba. That was my church in Lagos, guys, when I was a child. St. Dominic's Catholic Church, Yaba.
Yeah, that was our parish.
Oh my goodness.
That was our parish.
Oh, Lord.
That was where you all were baptized.
Yeah. I'll never sit still.
Then one day,
oh God, this story again.
Then one day, one guy felt, oh no. The guy felt so sorry for me. The bulletin. You were shouting, C-A, C-B.
Oh my goodness, during mass.
During mass.
Hey, and you know how quiet the church can be during mass, Jesus.
I didn't know what to do. Then the guy now carried me. The guy now said, everything written in this bulletin is written in there. You are right. Everything written there is written in
Oh my goodness. And I was shouting, Uncle C-A.
Uncle C-B.
Goodness gracious. Oh my world. My growing up days, Sha. Oh Lord. Sorry. Yeah, go and wear your shoes. Let's go home.
Zani and your mom is saying that she was not as hyper as I told her that if there's any word more than hyper,
that was me,
that was your mom. That was your mom.
Mama, please go and wear your shoes. Let's go.
Or is it the day you wanted to losing your...
Hey, you guys. Crisscross. Oh.
You now took a scissors and chopped off all your hair.
I swear down. Hey, I'm sure at that point you're just weak. You didn't know what to do with me.
Let somebody do it. Let somebody. Before I knew what was happening, you had used scissors
to design my hair. Hey, hair what not get to.
I just went to the barber the next day
to just level the whole thing. I think I was like 7 years old. I don't forget. I was 7.
As if a rat ate your hair.
Jesus. Where was I hurrying to? And the following day was school. Following day was school. So in my head, just use the scissors and just chop it off. It solves the whole problem, you know. I didn't think that I was going to be cutting my hair. Childhood innocence, Sha.
Your hair was, oh no.
Oh Lord.
Your hair just refused to go.
Oh yeah, from birth though.
Your hair refused to go.
From birth.
Unlike Melly and then.
And Mimi, see Mimi's hair now. So long. So long. If you see her hair in the salon today when they blow dry the hair, oh my goodness.
I'm a big girl.
Yeah, you're a big girl. So long.
They have been cruel to you. Saying things they don't mean. They have been rude to you. Disrespect how you feel, but baby, I'll never go that far. 'Cause I know better than that. So baby, let me hold you.
Oh, I like this. It's so pretty. I love you. It's so pretty. Good morning, guys. Hi. How are you guys doing? It's a beautiful Sunday morning today, and it's a bit of an eventful Sunday. My mom is being, I don't even know what to even call it. Anyway, if you're a Catholic, I come from a Catholic home. If you're a Catholic, you know that the month of November is like harvest month, so different parishes have like their harvest and bazaars and all of that. So there's a parish that is being headed by our former parish priest, and today is their harvest and bazaar. My mom was made the mother of the day, and she's taking it very, very seriously, you guys. Like, she is taking it super serious. If you know my mom, you know my mom very well. She is taking it as serious as I don't even know. So we are escorting her. We are escorting her. She has been giving us notice about this thing for like the past 2 months at this point. So there's absolutely no way in hell that I will not go for this harvest and bazaar with my family, you know, to support her and everything. So that is where we are heading right about now. Very soon now Popsy will call and stampede us out of the house. That's the way. But yeah, and then the parish is almost like at the outskirts where I had my birthday shoot. I had my last birthday shoot in Oshafa just before Buhari or so. I'd be around Buhari. So the parish is actually in Oshafa. It's going to be a very long drive, which is why we are rushing. It's just almost 9 a.m. I think mass is for 10 a.m. but obviously because of the distance we have to leave earlier than normal. So yeah, that's everything we're going to be doing today. I didn't do much with my makeup. I just touched up my brows a little bit, eyeliner in my waterline, lip balm. I didn't even put lipstick or anything, and then blush. I think I'm good to go like this. Abi, should I look okay? All right. Anyway guys, that's that. You guys will come along with us if anything fun is happening, anything exciting, and yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys. Hi my auntie. Hi my auntie. Mother of the day. Mother of the day. Yes, you're going to be on my YouTube channel, father. Yeah. Yeah, now what the brightest green in the world. To the Lord in the highest. Hallelujah, everybody. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hey guys, how are you guys doing today? I'm just about to take off my makeup, and in my head I'm just like, oh my goodness, I can't remember the last time I actually ended my vlog properly. You guys know that I'm always ending my vlogs abruptly, and I think it's mostly because when I'm editing my vlogs, like I haven't done an outro, and I'm editing my vlogs not in real time, you know. Guys, pardon me, I'm trying to remove my makeup in case you guys are like wondering what the hell is going on. Yeah, I know I don't end my vlogs as I should, so I'm like, you know what, today I am definitely going to, you know, end this vlog properly. Oh my goodness, you guys are probably wondering what the hell. Okay, I'll be back in 2 seconds. Another reason I think is because I usually do not like to end my vlogs just like saying thanks for watching, subscribe, all of that. I always like to like still talk to you guys, you know, like say something to you guys and all of that, you know. So maybe that's also another reason why, I'm not sure. But I saw something on Instagram, was it yesterday, and it prompted me to want to come and talk to you guys about it, like just to like know what your thoughts are, even though like I know what a normal human being's thoughts to this would be. So I saw something on Instagram, like, you know, yesterday, and it was a radio station where a woman called in to say that, you know, she was HIV positive, and for the past 6 months after she found out, she has been infecting people with it knowingly. So what she does is that, you know, she uses a syringe to, you know, bring out blood from her body, and then she mixes it with Zobo and sells to unsuspecting people. Like when I saw that thing, it just, see guys, people are wicked. As in, hey God, people are wicked. The wicked people are walking amongst us every day, you know. And when the radio presenter was asking her why, she said that because she cannot die alone, that she cannot die alone, that she must take people with her. And I'm just like, what in the world? Like, what? Ah, my goodness gracious. I was so shook. I didn't even know when I scrolled past, because I'm just like, what the hell is this? The past 6 months, all of a sudden, right now I have a phobia for Zobo. Like right now I have a big phobia for Zobo, because in my head I'm just like, I don't even know what I'm drinking, you know, these days, you know. But for somebody to actually, you know, have the mind to do something like that, and obviously she called in anonymous to the show, so like I don't think they know who she is or anything like that. But it just goes to show that sometimes you can just be on your own and trouble will just find you on your own, you know. It's just really crazy. Like when I saw that thing online yesterday, it was so scary, and I was just like, wow, like we all need to really be careful, because people are taking out frustrations on others knowingly or unknowingly, and it is just the most ridiculous thing ever. Like the absolute most ridiculous thing ever. I was shocked to my bone marrow. But what do you guys think about this? Omo, I don't know. I really don't know. It's appalling what human beings do sometimes. Like it's appalling what human beings do to their fellow human beings. It's crazy. But anyway, just a food for thought there. Let me know what you guys think also in the comments about this, because it's crazy. Like I said, I know that every normal human being would be like, that's absolutely crazy. Like, I'm sorry, but I don't think you are normal if you agree with what she's doing, you know. But then again, like during the call, she was saying that she prays God forgives her, you know. She was sounding remorseful. She was almost like confessing to what she had been doing for the past 6 months, and then she was being remorseful and all that. But it's just like, wow, like more people are deep. Anyway guys, hope you guys enjoyed watching today's vlog. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comment section down below. Subscribe, thumbs up, share this vlog. I'll see you guys in my next one very soon, okay? Mwah. Bye.